Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be talking about my June favorites and hates of this month. I have many favorites and I only have one product that I have been not liking all of this month. So if you guys want to see what these products are, then keep on watching. So I have these products broken down into categories since there's so many. So let's start off with skincare. First skincare product that I want to talk about is this guy right here. This is the PCA Acne Gel. Now, surprisingly, I don't actually use this for acne. I use it for razor bumps, specifically razor bumps right under here. And this made it into my favorites because basically what happened was I was using it consistently and my razor bumps and my ingrown hair bumps were pretty much going away. Pretty much, I wouldn't say non-existent, but they were going away. And then as soon as I stopped using this and kept doing my not every day, but as soon as I was kind of like shaving my hair with the clippers or whether it be a razor every once in a while, they pretty much came back and I'm just like, oh my goodness, okay, so I need to start using this again. So this has been a constant thing that I have been using. Also in the skincare department, I have to show you guys this. This is the Murad Technoceutical Brightening Boost. This is really good for somebody who has pigmentation issues, who wants to even out their skin tone, get rid of dark marks, things like that. I have a few dark marks here and there, specifically on my forehead because, you know, I went through a time where I was just kind of like picking at my skin due to stress and things like that, and basically I developed some dark marks because of that. So I started using this and I actually really like it. Some dark marks it has pretty much completely gotten rid of, and others it has faded. So I'm going to continue using this product and I'm going to update you guys on how it exactly worked for me, whether that be via Twitter and Instagram, here on YouTube, but I'm definitely loving this product so far. Alright, so let's get into the next category of products, which is makeup, which of course we all love. So let's get into the first thing. Let me get this out of the way. It is the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation, the liquid foundation. I really love this. As you guys can tell, I'm halfway done with this bottle, pretty much almost done with this bottle. And this is just my tried and true drugstore foundation at the moment, but there is a foundation from the drugstore that I actually love not a lot more, but almost just as much as this foundation, and that is its sister product or sister foundation. This is the Maybelline Super Stay Stick Foundation. I really like this product just because on the days where I don't want to do as much coverage, or if I just kind of want an easier way, if I'm just like, oh my gosh, I just need to slap on my foundation real quick, this is really easy to Great, okay. If I just want to slap on my foundation, I just need to quickly like make these lines across my face, blend it out, and be done. So for all my people who love super full coverage, I would go with this one. And for all my people who just want something easy and something that can take them from about medium sheer medium coverage to medium full coverage, I definitely recommend this one. But they're both pretty good and they're my favorite foundations for this month. The next product is this guy right here. This is the Manny MUA Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag palette. As you guys can tell, I definitely have been using it. This palette is really good. The pigmentation is there. There's a lot of variety as far as the colors goes. I mean, you can do like your neutral looks with these colors right here on this side, and then you can do your more bold, colorful looks, and you know, you can. It's a good overall palette for somebody who's just starting out with makeup, who doesn't know what colors to get, but also wants to do their everyday look as well. And it's a good palette for people who already kind of know, like, okay, I have my everyday colors, but I want some more colors to play with. So it's a really good palette all around for a good variety of people. All right, so I'm gonna jump into the next category real quick because this one right here wants to sit on my lap like he's a baby. By the way, this is my dog Prince. He is really old. He's actually not that old. He's about 7 years old. He's a Pomeranian. Look at the camera. Yeah, he's tired. Okay, he's tired. But that brings me into my next favorite of the month. It is this Burt's Bees Itch Soothing Spray. Prince, he is really like, he itches a lot, and he also has a little bit of anxiety, so I kind of spray this on him and it pretty much soothes his itching, so he doesn't like itch himself to death, which is really good. Definitely take your dog to the vet first to see why your dog exactly is itching, but if it's just a general thing and nothing exactly is wrong, I definitely recommend this because this really soothes my dog's skin really well to that he doesn't itch all the time, which is great. Okay guys, so let's get back to makeup. So the next things that I picked up this month that are part of my favorite, it's the Colorpop No Filter Setting Powder and the Colorpop No Filter Concealer. I picked both of these up along with the No Filter foundation. I'm still working out the foundation to figure out if I like it or not. It's still in that testing phase, but I definitely like both of these. The concealer is a nice full coverage concealer that is really matte, and I like that surprisingly. I usually don't care for a super matte concealer. And then the setting powder, I wasn't really like, I wasn't sure about it, but then I kept trying it and applying it over and over again, and I was like, okay, I really like this setting powder. Let's get into the one thing that I don't want to talk about, and this is the product that I absolutely hated for this month. So the product that I hated for this month is this guy right here. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara. This sucks. And the reason it sucks is the formula. It doesn't exactly dry down really quickly, and then once, like if you do anything to your eyes, if you blink, if you look up, if you do anything, basically it transfers down to the lower lash line, it transfers up on your lid, and I go crazy because I'm doing an eyeshadow look or like I'm doing my foundation after I do my eyes and things like that, and I'm like, really you're gonna do this to me today? So basically I just don't care for this mascara. I mean, it does lengthen, it does do what it claims to do, which is lengthen, but the transferring issue, that's just a big issue for me, and I just do not care for this mascara. I did pick up a new mascara that I'm going to try out. It's a very popular mascara, so I'm going to do a first impressions on that in an upcoming video, so definitely stay tuned for that, guys. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this favorites and hates for the month of June. I definitely have tried a lot of new things this month, and will continue trying a lot of new things because I like trying makeup out. I love makeup. Makeup is something that, you know, brings me peace into my life, so, you know, I'm always up for trying new things. So let me know in the comments below of what things that you guys would like me to try. I love testing things out, so leave those down in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you aren't subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys later in the next video.